Should you start Amazon affiliate marketing? In this video, I'll share a brief Amazon Associate Beginners tutorial to help you decide if Amazon affiliate marketing is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for years now. If you are new to the idea of affiliate marketing, it's where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. There are affiliate offers for almost everything you can think of. You may even have bought something through an affiliate in the past without realizing it. Some affiliate programs are handled directly by the company itself. Others are handled by affiliate networks, such as ClickBank. Others by big merchants like Amazon or Walmart. Most affiliate programs work something like this. You sign up to be an affiliate. They give you your unique affiliate ID, which is coded in the link to the product you promote. When you make a sale, you get paid. Where things start to differ is in how you get paid. Most affiliate offers pay a one-time commission of a few percent for each sale. How long they hold your commissions before paying you and how you actually get paid can vary. You should know that there are a few affiliate offers that pay out much larger commissions, as much as 80%, and some pay out recurring income too. That's money that comes in month after month from a sale you make one time. But let's focus on Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon is the world's largest online retailer. They provide all kinds of products. I've bought many things from them. I've always found their prices and service to be excellent. Let's jump over to my computer and I'll walk you through getting set up as an Amazon affiliate and the details on marketing as an affiliate. Then we'll come back here and talk about selecting what products to market and how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get signed up as an Amazon associate. I think the easiest way to do it is go to Google and Google Amazon Associates. That'll bring you to this page here. I'm sure it'll be the top listing on the page. Go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to this page here. This is where you go ahead and get signed up. Now, I've already signed up, so I can't walk you through it, but it's real simple. I think it took me about 2 minutes when I did this. Go ahead and fill that out. Get signed up as an Amazon associate. As soon as you do, you're ready to start marketing. Once you get signed up and you're inside their site, take a minute and go to this page here. This shows you the commission rates for the various products they sell. They vary by category. Then you're ready to start marketing. We'll talk more in a minute about how to pick the various products to market. But one of the things I recommend, especially in the beginning, pick something you're passionate about. Woodworking is one of my hobbies. Here's a tool here. We actually have this tool in our shop. It's a great tool. I have recommended it before in the past. If I were going to promote this as an Amazon associate, what I would do is I go up here, see where it says Get Link. I click on Text, and there's my link. That's my Amazon associate link. It's got my affiliate ID embedded in it. And that's actually the link I would send out to promote that product. Anytime somebody bought from that link, I get paid. Remember that Amazon has just about every kind of product you can imagine. The key part is picking the right product to promote and marketing it the right way. And that's what we're going to talk about next. Okay, I'm back. In the beginning, I think it helps to promote products related to something you enjoy, something you are passionate about. For the example above, I mentioned that woodworking was a hobby. Today, my focus is primarily on financial freedom and making money online. I promote things related to that. Spend a few minutes on Google to see what people are really searching for. Say you want to promote gardening products. On Google, type in gardening and see what comes up when Google autofills. Then type in gardening, a space, and the letter A and see what comes up. Then do it with the letter B and so on. This ABC method is a great way to see what people are looking for. Spend some time here. You need to promote products that people are actively searching for. Once you find the product, get your affiliate link as I showed you, and you are ready to market. There are many ways you can market your affiliate link. My two favorite strategies today are my blog and my YouTube channel. One of the best approaches, especially when you are starting out, is creating product reviews. You know, selling without selling. The key is to get people to click on your affiliate link. When they buy, you get paid. Be aware that most of the commissions on Amazon are one-time commissions of only a few percent. You will have to sell a lot of stuff every day, day after day, to make significant money that way. To learn the secrets to making more money with affiliate marketing, download my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will show you exactly how I create time and money freedom marketing other people's stuff. In it, I share proven ways you can make more money with affiliate marketing, even without previous experience. Just copy what's in the ebook, and you'll be on the fast track to success. I even show you how to make money today. To get your free ebook, follow the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.